Hello students, you're welcome in our YouTube channel Vivekananda Academy of Learning. So friends, today we are going to discuss about some of the MCQs which is related to BCom semester 3. So if you are new on our YouTube channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notification from our channel. And already we have uploaded lots of videos related to BCom, BSc, MA, MCom, BA, English literature and compulsory English as well. So now let's get started about these questions. So first question is, find out the democratic principle of India. So correct answer is D. All of these means socialist, secular and republic. Next, second question, marriage is a blessings if there is a blank then of each other. So the answer is respect, admiration and love. It means all of these. Third question, blank is considered to be the force of a happy married life. So the correct answer is C, faith. Fourth question, India is fit for democracy because there is options. D is correct, all of these. Political equality, rule of a majority and collective responsibility. Next question, fifth question, female business leaders are able to communicate. So the correct answer is regularly, clearly and openly. All of this is the correct answer. Sixth question, the government of India has introduced the new Consumer Protection Act in the year with a view to enhancing consumer rights in a digital economy. So the correct answer is answer A, 2019. Question number 7. Under the e-commerce rules, it has been made mandatory for e-commerce platforms to display details about. So the correct answer is all of these: price, mode of payment and expiry date. Question number 8. Women are better rulers because they are. So the correct answer is B, great motivators. Question number 9. The world's top films, books and music are published and produced in English and more than blank of interest sites are in English. So the correct answer is D, 50%. Next question, question number 10. There is blank, there is no blank in the cities. So the correct answer is D, all of these. There is no fresh air, pure water and pure air in cities. Next question number 11. The pride of our mother tongue should not stem from our ignorance of English. Who spoke these words? So the correct answer is A, Sri Balasaheb Thackeray. Next question, question number 12. The majority of job opportunities requires the candidates to speak blanks fluently. So the correct answer is English. Question number 13. TV programmers are rich sources for all of these means education, entertainment, information. Next question number 14. We should keep our savings with banks because so the options correct are, it is a safe, it is earns interest, it can be withdrawn at any time. So all of these are correct answer. Next question number 15. Which type of deposits earns higher rate of interest? So the correct answer is fixed deposit. Next question 16. Which movement encouraged the formation of commercial banks? So the correct answer is A, Swadeshi. Next question, question number 17. In which year was the Banking Regulation Act passed? So the correct answer is 1949. Next 18, question number. ATM means automated teller machine. Machine is behind the savings, so no machine is there also. Automated teller machine, ATM means. Question number 19. Bank pays interest on both A and B, means fixed deposit on and saving as well. Next question number 20. What is full form of TDS? So the correct answer is tax deducted at source. Tax deducted at source is the correct answer. Next question, question number 21. The format of bank letter resembles with this format of a. Correct answer is C, business letter. Question number 22nd. KYC means know your customer. Customer is behind hypertext. Know your customer. KYC means know your customer. Next question number 32. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Next question number 24. Bluetooth is the wireless technology for personal area is the correct answer. Next question number 25. Blanks allows LAN users to share computer programs and data. So the correct answer is C, file server. Next question number 26. Which protocol assigns IP address to the client connected with the internet? So the correct answer is A, DHCP. Next question number 27. Which of the following protocols is used in the internet? So the correct answer is D, DNS, HTTP and DNS is the protocol used in the internet. Next question number 28. The dimension of e-commerce that enables e-commerce across national boundaries is called, the correct answer is B, global reach. Next question number 29. The dimension of e-commerce that enables e-commerce across national boundaries is called global reach. Next question 29. Which of the following describes e-commerce? So the correct answer is C, doing business. Next question number 30. World Wide Web WWW was introduced in the year 1994. A is right question. Next question 31. Blanks is early form of e-commerce. So the correct answer is EDI. Next question number 32. The emergence of e-commerce started in the early blanks with the earliest example of electronic funds transfer, which allows organizations to transfer funds between one another electronically. So the correct answer is D, 19th century. Next question number 33. Blanks provides a direct sale between the supplier and the individual customer. So the correct answer is C, B2C. Question number 34. Blank is the means of conducting a business between two or more companies over the internet. So the correct answer is A, B2B. Next question number 35. Blank is defined as exchange between among consumers involving a third party. So the correct answer is C2C. Question number 36. Current account is a statement of account in which blanks commercial transactions are mentioned. So the correct answer is D, date wise. Next question number 37. Blanks assets are the long term resources of an entity but have no physical existence. So correct answer is intangible is the correct answer. Next question number 38. Current account is an account in which blanks number of transactions are allowed by the bank. So the correct answer is N, unlimited. C is the correct answer. Next question number 39. No interest is paid on the bank balance in blank. So the correct answer is current account. Next question number 40. Bank statement notes serial numbers of all checks paid and withdrawn by the customer. So the correct answer is B, dates. Next question number 41. Blanks means profiting from differences in prices or total amounts of profit in different markets. So the correct answer is D, arbitrage. Next question number 42. Blank is the internet rate at which a central bank advances short-term loans to commercial banks. So the correct answer is B, bank rate. Next question number 43. In accounting, any asset expected to last or be in use for less than 1 year is considered as blank assets. So the correct answer is B, circulating. Next question number 44. Blank assets derive their value from intellectual or legal rights and the value added to the others assets. So the correct answer is C, intangible. Next question number 45. Blanks assets can be destroyed by fire, hurricane or other disasters or accidents. So the correct answer is D, tangible. Next question number 46 is sophisticated form of non-speculative risk-free betting. So the correct answer is B, arbitrage. Next question number 47. Under the blank arrangement the owner of land and or other immovable property pledges is an as a security to obtain loan. So the correct answer is A, mortgage. Next question, question number 48. If the prices of blanks get increased, the prices of other shares also get affected by them. So the correct answer is pivotals. Pivotals is the correct answer. Next question number 49. A blanks is a written document from one bank to another bank to pay a specified amount to the person mentioned. So the correct answer is A, pay order. Next question number 50. Blank is an act of writing a date on a document later than the one on which it is made. So the correct answer is D, post date. Next question, question number 51. Blanks is the lowest fixed price at which an item is offered at an auction sale. So the correct answer is B, reserve price. Next question, question number 52. Blanks has proximately with deposits, bond issues, mortgages, etc. So the correct answer is A, bank rate. Next question, question number 53. Blanks is a written understanding by a manufacturer or seller of goods given to a buyer. So the correct answer is D, warranty. Next question, question number 54. Whenever there is an issue, a company offers shares to its shareholders which are known as blank shares. So the correct answer is right shares, A. Next question number 55. That is, blank is an act of writing a date on a document prior to the date of having made it. So the correct answer is C, antedate. Next question, question number 56. Blanks a deed or mortgage document signed by two parties as opposed to a deed poll. So the correct answer is C, indenture. Next question, question number 57. The central instrument is in a contract is called. So the correct answer is D, condition. Next question number 58. Blank is an act of pledging a given things with a view to securing the payment of some debt. So the correct answer is B, hypothecation. Next question, question number 59. Usually blanks are assets cannot be destroyed by the carelessness or as a side effect of a failure of a business. So the correct answer is A, intangible. Next question, question number 60. At referendum, blanks indicates that some minor points remain to be decided after agreement upon material points. So the correct answer is A, contract. Next question, question number 61. Blanks is a type of account that is ongoing between two or more entities. So the correct answer is B, account current, means current account. Next question, question number 62. Blanks can also be referred to as a report summarizing each individual insurance agent in an agency. So the correct answer is D, account current. Next question, question number 63. A blank fund is a highly liquid asset set aside by an individual or business to meet any expected future costs. So the correct answer is C, reserve. Next question, question number 64. Blanks also means a type of contract in which an employer is forced to work for a particular period of time. So the correct answer is B, indenture. Next question, question number 65. Normally, blanks assets cannot be used as collateral to raise loans from a bank. So the correct answer is A, intangible. Next question, question number 66. Blank promises a buyer to rectify the errors in quantity, deficiency in quality or a thing or a product. So the correct answer is B, warranty. Next question, question number 67. In case of blank shares, the shareholders have to pay the prices of shareholder lower than the others in the market. So the correct answer is B, right. Next question, question number 68. Blanks is an agreement between two parties regarding rights or duties. So the correct answer is B, indenture. Next question, question number 69. Blanks is very useful to the businessman. So the correct answer is C, current account. Next question, question number 70. Blanks assets means assets with physical forms. So correct answer is A, tangible. Next question, question number 71. Blanks means share of leading companies. So the correct answer is C, pivotals. Next question, question number 72. Blanks means an interest rate fixed by the Reserve Bank of India. So the correct answer is A, bank rate. Next question, question number 73. Blanks is a property lent from borrower to lender for security of loan. So the correct answer is B, mortgage. Next question, question number 74. Blanks assets are usually listed under the heading plants and equipment or plant property and equipment. So the correct answer is D, tangible. Next question, question number 75. Blanks assets means assets without physical form. So the correct answer is B, intangible. Next question, question number 76. Blanks means to buy a security in one market and sell it in another at the same things for same time for making profit. So the correct answer is B, arbitrage. Next question, question number 77. Blanks is related to the total commissions on policy cancellations and premiums paid by the insurance company. So the correct answer is C, account current. Next question, question number 78. A blank mentions dates, serial numbers of all checks paid and withdrawn by the customer and the remaining balance. So the correct answer is D, bank statement. Next question, question number 79. Blank can be solved at any time to raise check in emergencies. So the correct answer is B, tangible. Next question, question number 80. Blanks involves dealing where returns and prices are definite, fixed and known. So the correct answer is D, arbitrage. Next question, question number 81. If the prices of blanks get increased, the other shares also get increased. So the correct answer is B, pivotals. Next question, question number 82. Blanks asset means cash or kind constantly flowing with and out of an organization in the normal course of its business. So the correct answer is B, circulating. Next question, question number 83. Blanks means to give a promise to repair or replace the goods if necessary. So the correct answer is D, warranty. Warranty means to give a promise to repair or replace. Next question, question number 84. The central instrument is a contract is called options. A is correct. Condition called a condition. Next question, question number 85, and this is last question. Blanks allows unlimited transactions to the account holders promptly and properly. So the correct answer is C, current account. So students, if you enjoyed in this video or you get some very useful information, so please like this video and share this video with your friends. This video will also help for you for HNC online examination. Okay students, bye everyone, take care, stay healthy and all the best for your exam.